Dreaming of healthy hair that would even make Rapunzel jealous? Let's help you create an ultimate step-by-step hair care routine after washing it with these tips. Let's go! Drying your hair after washing it. Let's share the do's and don'ts after stepping out of the shower. The first step is drying your hair. It might seem like a simple task, but it's crucial to do it the right way to keep it healthy and shiny. Don't rub your hair with a towel aggressively or use a hairdryer at high temperatures. It can damage your hair and make it more prone to breakage, split ends, and frizz. Nobody wants to have hair that looks like a bird's nest, right? Do dry your hair gently with a towel. Let's talk about the material. You want a towel that's soft, absorbent, and gentle on your hair. A rough, scratchy towel can cause friction and damage your hair, and nobody wants that. So look for a towel made of microfiber or soft cotton, like a soft Turkish towel. The material is gentle, softer, and works great if you gently pat your hair. Keyword, pat your hair. So grab one of these towels and gently pat your hair to get rid of excess water. Avoid rubbing your hair like crazy unless you want to turn into a poodle. As adorable as they are, it's probably not the look you want to go for. Once you've gotten rid of most of the water, let your hair air dry for a while. It's a great opportunity to meditate, check your Instagram feed, or plan your next vacation. Next step, detangling. When your hair is no longer dripping water, it's damp or almost dry, it's time to bring in the next hair helper, a gentle detangler. An important step after washing your hair is removing tangles from your strands. We'll tell you how to get rid of those annoying knots without getting into a hair battle. This is an important step because these knots can turn into a big hairy mess, which can cause breakage and split ends, and nobody wants that. Detangling also helps to distribute any products you may want to use evenly throughout your strands instead of just sitting on top of a tangled mess. Now, we know what you're thinking. The thought of detangling can mean a painful, time-consuming, and just plain frustrating process. But what if we told you there's an easy way to do it? Oh, and it helps to prevent breakage and further hair loss. You only need this one amazing tool to get rid of those stubborn tangles in dry or damp hair. TangleGenie is carefully designed to prevent breakage and damage to the hair. With its unique 360-degree bristle design, it helps to detangle gently without worrying about pain, pulling, or tugging. Just start with TangleGenie at a 90-degree angle in your hair. Make sure the bristles move freely without pulling. Slide TangleGenie through the hair closer to the tip of the bristles rather than at the top where the hand holder is. Do not brush with the bristles facing down. You'll be amazed by the results and how it protects your hair. So go ahead and grab your TangleGenie for tangle-free and healthy-looking hair and give it a go. Your hair will thank you for it. Do remember that the key to detangling is sectioning off your hair into small, manageable segments. This makes it easier to detangle through them more smoothly and gently. Also, do start detangling through your strands at the bottom and work your way up after to the roots, going back down as you go. This way, you're getting rid of all of the tangles without creating a tangle jungle. This technique also helps you minimize breakage as well as pain. To minimize pain, breakage, and damage, you need to be gentle and patient while dealing with your tangles. So with the right tool, a little patience, and a cheerful attitude, you'll be on your way to silky smooth and detangled hair in no time. If you're enjoying these tips, show us some love by hitting that like button. Next, drying. Now that your hair is detangled, you can bring in the big guns, the hair dryer. Of course, it's best to let your hair air dry fully, but if you want or have to use the hairdryer, use these tips. Start by using the lowest heat setting and keep the dryer at a safe distance from your hair. Don't hold it too close or you'll end up with fried hair. Yikes! And if you have flat, fine, or thin hair, we've got a little great tip for you to add some volume and bounce. Blow dry your hair upside down. It lifts your hair cuticles away from the scalp, which creates more space and volume in your hair. It also focuses more on the roots, which helps create more lift and volume and makes your hair look fuller and more vibrant. Another great tip is to take breaks and let your hair cool down in between sections. Taking the time to dry your hair properly will give you luscious, bouncy locks that'll have you doing more hair flips to celebrate your new do. Learning from these tips? Subscribe so you don't miss out on all the hair care fun in the future. Finishing off, seal and protect with leave-in treatments. Using a leave-in hair treatment after washing your hair, by the way, this can be a DIY homemade recipe too, we'll get into this later, is a good step to add to your hair care routine. Here's why. Apart from the extra moisturizing and hydrating benefits it provides, using a leave-in treatment can seal your strands. It's like locking in your whole hair care routine. It helps to protect and repair your strands from damage caused by your heat styling tools, as well as environmental stressors like pollution, humidity, and UV rays. There's a wide variety of leave-in hair treatments, from volumizers to frizz fighters to heat protectants. There's a leave-in treatment out there for everyone, and they come in different forms as well. Here's a few, and remember, you can also make some of these yourself if you prefer a more natural solution. For those of you who are always on the go, hair mists are a perfect leave-in treatment. They're lightweight and easy to use, and they come in a variety of formulas. We've shared great recipes for natural DIY hair mists in our previous videos, so go ahead and check them after this one. One of our favorites is the apple cider vinegar and water mist. It softens the hair, adds shine, and can help restore your hair's pH. Simply mix 1 tablespoon of organic apple cider vinegar with 4 tablespoons of clean filtered water. Fill it in a small spray bottle and spray ahead. Serums are another great option for those who want to add a little extra nourishment to their locks. They're usually more concentrated than mists and can penetrate deep into the hair shaft to provide intensive hydration. Look for serums that contain ingredients like keratin or amino acids, which can help to strengthen and repair your hair. Leave-in conditioners are a good option for those with dry or damaged hair. They can help provide extra moisture and improve the overall appearance of your locks. Look for the ones that contain ingredients like shea butter or coconut oil, which can help to nourish and hydrate your hair. Leave-in hair oils are another option for those who want to give their hair a little extra love and care. They can help to add shine, reduce frizz, and provide intense hydration to your locks. Argan oil and Moroccan oil are popular choices as leave-in oils. You can also use organic essential oils such as rosemary, tea tree, or peppermint oil. Do choose a leave-in treatment that caters to your hair type and needs. For those with curly, wavy, or thick, coarse hair, leave-in conditioners and leave-in hair oils are a better option as they are more deeply penetrating and coat the strands better. If you have straight hair, thin, fine hair, or oily hair, hair mists and hair serums are the way to go, as they are lightweight and won't weigh your hair down. Look for the ones that provide volume and thickness to give your locks some oomph. For color-treated hair, look for products that contain UV filters or antioxidants, which can help to shield your hair from environmental stressors and keep your color looking fresh. And don't forget a heat protectant leave-in treatment to save your strands from the damage of your styling tools. So treat yourself and your hair to a nice treatment after your shower. Your locks will thank you for it. Let us know how this video helped you. Drop a comment below. And head over to our last video to know the step-by-step ultimate hair care routine pre-shower and during shower edition by clicking here. Happy hair care!